Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to download Loom Video to Google Drive. So first, go or open your Loom account right here, and this is the video that I have recorded using the Loom. So basically, there is no download option, especially if you're using the basic version of Loom. You need to upgrade your account in order for you to download a video right here. As you can see, if you want to upgrade, just click this upgrade right here and you will see the cost or the amount you need to pay or purchase in order for you to upgrade your plan and download a video. But I'm going to show you another way or another method on how to download a Loom video. All you have to do is just copy the link. If you can't see the link right here or copy link, you can easily maximize this one. Then right here, you will see option such as share and copy link. So all you have to do is click the copy link or share and then tap copy link. Now what you're going to do is you have to open a new tab and then you have to go to getoff.net or getof.net and then paste the link right here. Now click download. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then you will see here the Loom video, and what you're going to do is just download it. Now, once done, go to your Google Drive. Now right click and then tap File Upload. And what you're going to do here is you just have to locate the video or the Loom video and then upload it right here. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.